Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure you could see. And after several nights, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
Man, I can never get tired looking at these wheels.
Phew, that stinks.
Hey, I don't make fun of your job.
No, I mean something really stinks.
Yes, guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like yeah till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but get on the verge.
It was never a good idea getting a black car with black leather seats in Texas. It is a bad idea. Check this out. 122.
Stop lying like a mum rob, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche, Lupe, cool as the unthaw, but I still feel possessed as a gun charge to come as correct as a porn star. And a fresh pair of steps and my best phone call. So I represent the first. Now let me in my verse right where the horns are like, I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm on my way to go get some tires for these bad girls. This is literally a moment I've been waiting for so long. So originally I actually wanted to take the Evo to get the tires and then have them mounted on the Evo. But I know for a fact these are not gonna fit without cutting anything on the car. So gotta take the baby Mazda, the daily, and get these tires. But man, it is gonna be dope.
Several days later.
Right before we get started, I gotta clean up all this. That way we can be nice and organized and do everything properly. Me and my... What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna go ahead and dive right in and start cutting up the Evo. We're gonna go ahead and get the fronts mounted and all cleared up, but we have a lot to cut, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, bro, what are we doing?
Alright, so right now, woo, these nice beautiful fenders, we're about to rip these shits apart. We're probably gonna have to cut like 3 inches, 4 inches maybe. All the way. Step is to jack this car back up. Then we're going to take this wheel off. I'm going to draw our cutting line that I'm going to cut the fender with.
I'll start driving it, bro.
I just want to start driving.
I know.
We got a lot to cut though, bro, because it's so close right there and right there. So.
I'm about to take the wheel off and we're about to start cutting. I'm super nervous right now. Super nervous. But it's gotta be done, so we're gonna do it. Alright, here's a little update. After like 10 straight minutes of just trying to get this lug off, apparently I stripped it. I don't know how, but it will not come off. So we've been working at it for like 10 minutes, slowly turning with like all our strength, and it's like 100 degrees because we're in Texas. So we're taking a little breather right now, and then we're gonna get back at it. Alright, we finally got it off. However, it is stripped. Yeah, the thing's stripped. All because of this. Damn, it's hot. Alright, so now I got another thing to add to the list. Gotta just replace one of these. But I'll order a whole set, that way we can do the rears and then just have an extra 4 after we replace this one.
But guess what? It's time for the cutting. Let's go. I'm ready. So we got the line laid out already. I'm gonna come around here. I'm gonna go a little higher up here, but right here I'm gonna just come a little more closer to the body line of the curve. And also over here, we're gonna come in a little bit more, right there. Because I don't feel like we need it, but if we do, we'll push out a little bit more. But we're gonna try to keep it as good and clean as we can. So let's do it.
All right, we're about to do the first cut.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Let's get this bad girl.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
No.
Alright, let's do it.
All right, you're gonna start from right on the bottom?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut from the bottom and go all the way like that.
All right.
See, bro, like, I feel like we gotta cut right there. Yeah, look, check it out.
See?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, we gotta cut that, but the thing is, we have a hole right here for the kit, so I don't know how we're gonna do that.
So this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Next week we're gonna go ahead and realign the car, bring it towards the center, and then get the front twos on jacks, and then actually work on it for the whole day. Like I said today, I have to go to a family thing, so we really don't have that much time to work on the car. But next week's gonna be pretty crazy. Thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.